Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? You're welcome back again to Crypto Mall. If this is your first time of seeing a video from Crypto Mall, please do well to click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you can get informations whenever we drop any update. We talk about cryptocurrency and how to make a living out of it. All right, so today I'll be going straight to the point, and this video will probably not last long because I'll be hitting the nail on the head. But before I go on, I want you to go straight to the description box, to the comment section. Comment crypto related word. You can mention Bitcoin, mining, anything crypto related, and also hit the like button so that I can help the algorithm and we will reach more people. So, what do I want to discuss with us today? I want to discuss with us why crypt, router. Wicrypt Router. I know maybe a number of us might have heard of it before, but I'm actually just diving into it. I was just online. I was on social media and I saw a video about it, and it really interests me. And the fact that they are on Black Friday at the moment really caught my attention. And then I made my own research and I got mine immediately. I bought it immediately before you hear the story that touched. So, what is this Wicrypt all about? This is their application here. Like I said, I just got mine not too long ago. Is a router. A router is an hotspot where you can connect different Wi-Fi to, and then the Wi-Fi will be able to browse. Just a hotspot, hotspot, and then you connect to it, and then you browse and browse and browse. And now, so what is Wicrypt doing? Why is it different from the other routers? This is because as you are browsing the internet, you are mining uh, a coin called WNT. As you are browsing the internet, you are mining a coin called WNT. And this WNT is not something that will be listed in the future or something that will be listed soon or soon to come or anything like that. It is in the market already. It's on MXC. I've bought and sold in the space of the time I came across this stuff. And so it's something you can sell immediately, you can buy. Like, it's ready in the market, though it's only two exchanges that have it, Quick Swap and let me even show you. Let me show you. Coin market cap. Okay, so Wicrypt. No, sorry, WNT. WNT. You can see WNT is here, and so yeah, it's 0.7 at the moment. When I saw the video, it was at 0.6. That's to show you that people are rushing this thing because probably of their Black Friday. Now, so this router, when you get it, you either connect a SIM or Ethernet or whatever it is, you connect to the router. I'll show you mine. I just got, like I said, I got the cheapest one, which is $180 or so, 89 $80. Oh yeah. So before it was very expensive. That's why people did not really plug into it, even though at that price then it was really worth it. But now that they are doing a Black Friday, is really cheaper. So I just decided to buy immediately before it goes back to its normal price, if it's ever going back to that price. Well, so like I said, the simple explanation is that you get the what's it called? You get the device, and then you connect to it, and then when you are browsing, and you are mining, you are browsing and you are mining. Now I'll take you through the step by step of how you can do this. Number one is you need to register on the platform. Now, is either you download the app. I advise you download the app. The app is very easy. You download the app, just go to Play Store, Wicrypt, download the app, and you can use my referral link is on the platform already. See, you can use my referral link. My referral code is OLO128. You can use it when you are registering, and then after registration, then you can do your KYC, and then once you are done with your KYC, you if you have the money and you want to order for a device, then you click on this mega Black Friday rubbish. Then you move, you see view product, you see connect product, like that. View Explorer. Where do you get this? Okay, view product. Once you click this view product, you come here. You come to Spider Router Wicrypt, buy and mint this or buy Flutterwave store. Okay, you click Flutterwave. I bought with Flutterwave. I tried buying with from the other way, but it wasn't really working. So I used Flutterwave. So okay, yeah. So this is the one. Man, the price is actually going up. This is the one we want to buy. This. Okay. No, you might decide to buy. See the basic spider and see the. No, not this. What am I saying? Go back. Go back or Wicrypt. Click the Wicrypt. Then you see my device. Visit Explorer. I'm supposed to have done this. Okay, view product. View product. Okay, LYNX. So this LYNX is how much? Is how much recommended? You see, to buy now means this device. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 This is the cheaper one, the LYNX. That was the one I bought. And there's a spider one. If I knew, I would have bought this spider. So I'll advise you go for this spider. If you really want to go big on this, yeah, I would have bought this spider if I was just in a rush to buy. So that was why I bought that LNIX. So whichever one you want to buy, just click flutter wave. If it's the spider or whichever one, then you add cart. How many of it do you want? Is it one or two or three? Wow, the price is going up. When I saw this, it was at 140,000, but now it's at 162,000. So, like I said, then the dollar increase has not really affected it. Now they are increasing the dollar because dollar has gotten to 850 something when I bought, and they were still calculating 750 something. Do you understand? But now I think they are moving with the rate of dollar now. So you put add to cart, and then you come to your cart, you continue, you continue. Okay, this is for the expensive one. This is for the expensive one. Let's come to the. Oh, really? This is for the lane. Okay, this is for the cheap one. LNX something something something. Okay, we have. Okay, yeah, yeah. So you see it now. Continue. And you put all of your address and all those rubbish. Just follow the prompt. Put your live address, your home address, or wherever you want to pick it up. Put everything and order for it. Bam. Once you are done, you come back. Once you are done, you wait for it to arrive. Once it arrives, there are still some steps you need to do to be able to mine. Now I'll walk you through those steps now. All right, guys. So once you are done, what you do is you switch on your router. Once you switch on your router, you connect Wi-Fi to it, just normal connection. You see it, then you connect to it. Then once you are done, you come to this place. Everything is in your manual though. Once you buy the stuff, everything is there in the manual. Or you come to your web, you type 192.168.4.4. That's what you will type to your web, and then it will bring this page for you. Once it brings this page for you, it will automatically put root here, and it will put password here. Then your password is automatically admin, ADMIN. Then once you sign in, you will change it. But me, I've changed my own, so it's no longer admin that is there now. Do you understand? Once you do yours, you just change your password once you enter. So me, I will log in now. Okay. I think having a little issue. So yeah, so now I'm logged into my own page space now. And so yeah, once you log in, make sure you change your name, your device name, and password. You'll see it there. Just follow it. But that's not the important thing I want to show you here, because I suffered a bit before I was able to set up mine. So I don't want you to go through the same thing if you'll be setting up here. So what you do is go to the top left corner, click the top left corner. You see overview, you see register hub, you see quick setup and all. So what you do is you go to register hub. Register hub. Now the email and the password and the pin of the account you registered on the app, you put it here. Once you put it here, you click register, and then you are done from there. It will automatically synchronize your app with the hub. Do you understand? That is your device. So once you are done with that, you come back here, you click on business. You click on this business, yours will be on disable, but you click enable and then save changes. You click enable and then save changes. That will make anyone that want to log in, you have to give them access before they log in. Now, what else? What else? What else? What else? Okay, click this again. Quick setup. Oh, let's just send it like this. But basically, that's just all you need to do in that space. Okay. Okay. Now, this is where you change your username. Like you see my username here and your password. You change your username and password. So that is it. That is basically it here. All right. So now, once you are done and you are connected, you have put SIM inside the what's it called? You have put SIM inside the router, and or whatever internet this thing you are connecting with. You come back to this place, then it will be like I said. I just did mine not too long ago. That's why all I've used since I did it is just 876 MB. Do you understand? And I forgot to mention that aside from the money you use to buy this stuff, before you can begin to mine, you must take WNT. If you don't stake WNT, you will not be able to mine. How do you stake WNT? You come and deposit here. You either deposit as you come to this wallet, then you go to WNT. You go to WNT, you click fund. You click fund. There's another way to do it, but this is like the easiest way to do it. You click fund, then you click select payment type. You select payment type either with crypto or with P2P. If you don't have WNT, you just want to use Naira to buy the WNT, you click P2P. Do you understand? Then you click it here. You click this P2P here, and then you click okay. Yes, you click continue. You click continue. I'm not using internet now. I'm not using internet now, so that's why it's not going. So you click continue and just follow the prompt, just like the normal P2P on Binance. You see the person's detail you have to send to. Make sure you send $100 worth. You must what's it called? You must have $100 worth of WNT that you will stake. If you don't have it, you will not be able to mine. So once you are done with that, and once your WNT drops, you will see it here. You will see it here. And then once you are done with that, you go and stick. Please follow all these steps because, like I said, I suffered a bit before I could get all these things. Yeah. So what you do is, after you have deposited and all, you come to this staking. You come to this staking. Oh, it's because I'm not using the internet to. What do we do now? Okay, let me switch on my data. I wanted to connect to this thing so that I can explain to you. Now you come to this place. Now you see all of this now. You see all of this now. So yeah, so you see your available WNT, like mine now, I've staked already. I've staked WNT. See the amount of WNT I've staked. I staked $107 worth of WNT. So that is it. You see stake. If you have not staked anything, you see stake. Just make sure you stake the $100 worth, and that's it. And you are good to go. Every time you want to browse, just connect to your router. And yeah, this is actually beyond it because you can sell data on it. Imagine if you buy high data and you sell data to your friends, they just hang around you and use your Wi-Fi. You are mining and you are still selling the data to them. So it's actually a lucrative business. Maybe if you still don't understand the whole thing, you can comment below if I'm to do another video so that I can explain it well. I've brought to you us now two opportunities of mining cryptocurrency. The first was the BTC mining, which many people trivialize, and this is another one again. Well, it's up to you if you are willing to launch in. Just make sure you make your research and note that I don't know what I'm saying. I have just been bluffing and saying rubbish. This is not a financial advice. Please do due diligence. At this moment, I may be high on something that I don't know doing this video. So do your do your due diligence and research well before putting your money into anything. Okay, so this is me claiming my first WNT. Can you imagine? I got $8 worth of WNT just with 3.7 gig data, and I claimed it on Friday. It drops every Friday. WNT that you mine drops every Friday, and I withdrew it straight to my MSC exchange, and that is it. It's basically, this is an amazing platform. You just need to make your own research and see if you want to go ahead with it. Yeah, so this is me trying to get my MSC WNT wallet address so that I can withdraw to it. You know how to do this. You go to Spot WNT, search for WNT. Is on Matic. Is on Polygon network. So you just copy and go back to your app. Then you click withdraw. You click withdraw. Then you use payment type. You click payment type. Then you put crypto, and then you submit your address. You paste the address there and click how many WNT you want. I got 120 something, so I want 120. I click withdraw, and then boom. To ask, I'm trying to confirm here so that it will be the right address. So you confirm, you put your password and or your, what's it called, or your thumbprint, and then you confirm it, and then boom, you go to your mail again. You go to your mail to make a confirmation, like email, check for MSC, sorry, Wicrypt email, then network. All right, so that's it there. Wicrypt, click for OTP, then copy the OTP, and then you go back to the platform, and then you submit it. Shikena, and then you wait for, once you verify, you wait for your WNT to drop on your MSC address. Simple like that. So have a wonderful time. Make sure you do your own research to see if you want to take advantage of this platform. As for me, I am going big on this. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to use my referral link and to like and subscribe to Crypto More. God bless you. Bye.